All right, here's our layout, revised layout for the kitchen. This wall is protruding into the space. Obviously, we thought that was going to be able to be removed. And the contractor thinks it's going to need to be 24, 25 inches deep because of the water line. So we need to finalize how deep it is from the corner to the front and determine what we're going to do to try to conceal this, if anything possible. On our pantry cabinet to the right, how to bring those together. I know you wanted this a clean look across the front, but we have this to contend with. So if we can bring it back, these are 24 deep, or we make all of these deeper and put a panel on the front of this that would possibly go all the way up. I think by the time they're done with sheetrock, that's going to be 5 or 6 inches wide. And right now we've got 11 inches here. And this ceiling height is lower than it is here. And on this wall, with this small stem wall protruding into a cabinet. Of course, the sink centered on the window. These drawers will be modified or short to allow for this protruding into the cabinet. So, I mean, before we finalize anything, we've got to address this, making it as shallow as possible. But as far as working on it to make it seamless and disappear, I don't really see how that's going to happen. We could put a panel on the front of this, but it'll be obvious what it is. That might be okay with you guys, so long as it has a material painted the same cabinet color. But what's not shown is the header across here. So anyway, let me know.